All right, so we got the Freewing 70mm F-22. We finally got a good day, a good enough day to fly it. It's about 6 to 8 mile an hour winds on and off, but yeah, I've already flown this once already for a brief like 2 minutes, but I landed it. Nothing hurt bad, but I haven't really done anything too crazy with it. So we're actually gonna do a full flight. On the inside here, we've got the Admiral Pro 6S 4000 milliamp battery, 60C. Also got the Freewing afterburner kit in the back here. And we do have safe in AS3X Plus, so we do have stabilization and everything. I'm not really going to be using the gyro itself, I'm just going to be using the wind stabilization. But yeah, we'll just get on with it. Unfortunately, we do have to take off towards the sun. We're going to set 1 notch of flaps, takeoff flaps. All right, here we go. And we're off. Let's go flaps up. Gear up. Oh yeah, feeling really good. Afterburner looks really good. Let's go straight up here. Very maneuverable, but it likes the power in the turns. And we're going safe off here, just so we can get all of our maneuverability in. Let's go for a pass here. I do have the aileron set up, so my elevators are also hooked up to my ailerons, so I do have a crazy roll rate. See, we do a cobra maneuver here. Oh yeah, pretty good. They do recommend you push the batteries pretty much all the way back. I don't have it pushed all the way back, but I have it pushed most of the way back. So I do have some maneuverability, but I still have it a slightly nose heavy. All right, we'll see if we can't come in for a landing. Come with gear down. Full flaps. Yeah, really fast. Whoa, bad landing. I am not the best at landing with EDFs. I really do suck at it. But I probably was way too fast. Everything looks good here. I'm about 2 minutes in, so we have about 2 minutes left in our battery. We'll go no flaps here for the takeoff. And here we go. Gear's coming up. Keep it tight in the turns. Really good maneuverability at somewhat low speeds. Make our turn to the right here. It is kind of hard to see once it is far away. Doing a cobra maneuver. Oh, not good. That almost wasn't very good. That almost wasn't good. All right, we do have to come up and land soon, but we'll see if we can do a high-speed pass here. All right, look at that, that was really good. All right, now we do have to come in for a landing here. The gear's coming down, full flaps. Uh-oh. Okay, you're, it's hard to see right now. I have to go around. I just can't really see it. It is pretty tough to land. I do recommend you have some EDF experience to fly this. It is not a beginner's jet. So I do recommend before doing any sort of turns, before putting flaps down, anything like that, make sure you get straight with your runway first. And keep some power in. Uh-oh. Like, one of my gear didn't come down. All right, let's see what happened here. Okay. I do hear sometimes, we did grind our flap down a little bit here. That is pretty typical with EDS stuff. It is probably my fault. You do want to slow down before you want to put your gear down because sometimes they will not come out. But yeah, we did grind our flap down a little bit. But we'll change batteries and we'll go up again. All right, it's got a new battery in here. We'll take off again. We're gonna do a gear check before we land this time. And our nose wheel seems to be doing something weird, but it should be all right. So unfortunately, we're gonna have to take off to the sun again. But here we go. Gear's coming up. I almost lost it there. It does look pretty good. High-speed pass here. Let's see if we can do another cover maneuver. Oh yeah, very good. And it recovers well too. All right, see if we can put the gear down. Bring the power back in. Gear check here. Looks like all three are down. So we're gonna land from the right now. Do no flap landing. Oh yeah, that one was really good. Really good landing just far away. Now I can't hardly see it. There we go. All right, we got a minute 16 left on our timer, so we're come down to the right here, take off again. All right, here we go. Gear's coming up. Looks beautiful. Afterburner looks really good too. Okay, I think I figured out how to recover from it. If you ever get in that situation where you're turning and banking too slow, it likes rudder. Use lots of rudder and opposite aileron. No elevator, because elevator will just make it worse. And power, of course. Timer's coming to an end. So we're gonna bring her back in for a final landing. Actually, we'll do a gear check again. Gear's coming down. Make sure all three are down. Yep, all three are down. Now that we know that, we can come in for our approach. Can't tell you how good this thing looks. All right, straighten out. Keep the power in. And we're down. full back elevator to keep drag. And we'll bring it on back. All right, so there you have it. That was the Freewing 70mm F-22 Raptor. Didn't have anything really go bad other than one of our main gears didn't come out. Scraped out the flap a little bit, but it's not too bad. Nothing you can't see from the air, or nothing you will see in the air. But other than that, it is a little wet because there is water in the pavement a little bit. And just to note, we are probably, as you can tell, flying in an airport. I don't advise doing this. Don't just go to your local airport and fly. We do have special permission to fly here. And if you are going to fly with permission, bring a handheld radio with your airport frequency so you can tell if there's other traffic in the air. Because you don't want to be flying model aircraft with other airplanes in the air. It's just model airplanes and real airplanes just don't mix. Yeah, thank you all so much for watching, and hope to see you again soon. See you later.